Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. It's that time of the weekend where it's washing the car, and yeah, we've got another product to review. So today we're reviewing the Pro D car spa. We got sent a few products, but I'm going to do a few different videos because I needed to use the snow foam that I reviewed last week. There's still some in the bottle, so yeah, I didn't think it was fair to just waste that. So yeah, I'm in the process of washing the car anyway. So the product I've chosen for today's video is a NanoX Sealant. So yeah, I'm going to wash the car, so get it to sort of a clean state, and then yeah, we're going to test out the NanoX Sealant. With NanoX Sealants, any spray sealants really, yeah, they're perfect for this sort of car where you wash weekly, and yeah, they're sort of like some last weeks, some last about a month. So yeah, it'd be good to see how well this lasts, and yeah, the water behaviour on there as well. So let's finish off washing the car, and then we'll run through the instructions on how to use this and the price, and then at the end, my verdict. So the car's now clean. What I'm going to do, I've just read the instructions for this. I've split the car in half with a bit of tape. So I'm going to do one side of the full car because this is safe for all exterior trims. So that's paint, that's the glass, and yeah, everywhere really. So I'm going to do half a car, and then I'm going to show you the difference in water behaviour, and then yeah, we'll see what the difference is overall. Also, when reading the instructions, there's two ways to apply this. So you can apply it on dry paintwork, so you spray it on, buff it in, and then buff it off with a microfiber. Or the other way is to spray it onto a wet surface, and then immediately rinse off with a pressure washer. So I'm going to do the second one. That's just because it's quite warm today, and I don't want it drying on the actual paintwork of the car. So yeah, let's wet the car again. Now I've washed it. I just dried it off so I could put the tape on to show you. Let's wet the car. I'll show you the process of applying it to the car, which is just spray one panel at a time on the wet surface, and then immediately rinse off with pressure. And then yeah, I'll come back to you and give you my thoughts and show you the difference, maybe on the bonnet and the glass. Okay, so now that's the application process finished. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off, and then go over it with the hose so you can see the difference between this side that's protected in the NanoX Sealant, and then this side which hasn't got any protection on at all. that's the product review all done. Yeah, it did provide quite a good level of protection on the car. You can clearly tell where I've applied it and where I haven't. So on your left hand side of the car, so this side, the driver's side, yeah, is all protected now. It's half and half. On the windscreen, it'll be interesting to see what the water behaviour is like, say like on the motorway when it's raining. Yeah, we'll see. Well, I'll see if I can get a video in a few weeks' time when it actually rains. Like, because at the minute, yeah, there's not a cloud in the sky, which is a good thing. Going back to the product, it was easy to apply. These sort of sealants are very easy to apply. So yeah, the application method that I used is the second one, which was applying it to a wet car, and then yeah, immediately rinsing it off with a pressure washer. The first method is good if it's on a cooler day. Yeah, I probably go with the first method of sort of like applying it to a dry car, just because I think you can sort of like apply it to one panel at a time, whereas with spraying it onto a wet surface, yeah, it does cover, well, you use less product, but you don't really know where it's covered and where it hasn't when you're spraying it off. But yeah, both techniques will work. This technique worked really well on this one. I'd be interested to see how long it lasts. I've tried a few of these like sort of spray sealants now. So some have lasted a long time. The website on the Pro-D car spa website claims that it'll last up to 4 months. So yeah, well, we'll test that. So hopefully in 1 month or 2 months time, yeah, we'll see that the protection's still there. But yeah, it's a good product. The price for this for 500ml is $14.99. That's on their website. It does say somewhere in the instructions on their website that you can dilute it up to 1 part NanoX Sealant and then 4 parts water. I did try that on the bumper, but I didn't get as as good as results as just spraying it directly onto the car. So I don't know whether I was doing that wrong or I put too much water in, but yeah, that didn't work as well as I would have liked. But spraying it on not diluted, yeah, seems to work perfect. So yeah, cheers Pro-D Car Spa for sending us this product. We've got some other products to review from this company, which we'll be doing in the next coming weeks or months. Go check them out. I'll put the links below for their shop, their Instagram, and I don't know whether they got Facebook. If they have, I'll put it below. We do I'm trying to mix up the cars, so yeah, if anyone lives close to Chesterfield and doesn't mind lending me the car for the afternoon, so I can do a video, just so you guys do so you get to see something different. I know last week someone that I know that they brought around their Clio RS that they picked up the week before. That was quite cool. So yeah, I don't mind what car, but yeah, if you live quite close to Chesterfield, let me know. Get in the comments, and yeah, we might be able to sort something out. Cheers for watching. Again, we're releasing videos every single Sunday now, so yeah, hit that subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up as well. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!